Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to buy Bitcoin with bank transfer on Paxful. To buy Bitcoin with a bank transfer on Paxful, first of all, make sure that you've created a Paxful account and make sure that you are logged into it as well. After you're signed into your Paxful account, go ahead and tap on the wallet button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the wallet button, go ahead and look for the Bitcoin option and then tap on buy underneath it. This will take you to the marketplace tab, from where you can go ahead and look for sellers who accept bank transfer as the payment method. You can also filter search for bank payments. Simply go to the top of the screen and tap on the little payment drop down. From the payment methods option, tap on bank transfer. Now it will show you the list of sellers who are willing to sell you Bitcoin via bank transfer. Simply tap the buy button right next to the seller, and then once you select the offer, you will enter a private chat with the seller. They will provide with their bank details. You can proceed to make the payment directly onto their account. You will also need to specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy and the currency as well. And that way you will be able to purchase Bitcoin with bank transfer on Paxful. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.